Usdmxn. What is the volatility of Usdmxn? Usdmxn refers to the exchange rate between the United States dollar, USD, and the Mexican peso, MXN. This currency pair indicates how many Mexican pesos are equivalent to $1 US. The exchange rate between USD and MXN is significant for trade, investment, and tourism between the United States and Mexico. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. What is USD? USD, United States dollar, the official currency of the United States and one of the most widely used currencies in the world. It serves as the world's primary reserve currency and is commonly used in international transactions, trade, and as a benchmark for other currencies. 2. What is MXN? MXN, Mexican peso, the official currency of Mexico. It is abbreviated as MXN and is often represented by the symbol dollar. The peso is subdivided into 100 centavos and has various denominations in coins and banknotes. The currency has a long history and is one of the oldest currencies still in use. 3. Understanding Usdmxn exchange rate. The Usdmxn exchange rate shows the value of $1 US in terms of Mexican pesos. For example, if the exchange rate is 20.00, it means that $1 US is equal to 20 Mexican pesos. The exchange rate fluctuates based on various economic factors, including supply and demand in the foreign exchange, forex, market, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. 4. Factors influencing Usdmxn exchange rate. Several factors can affect the exchange rate between the USD and MXN. Economic indicators. Key economic indicators, such as inflation rates, employment figures, GDP growth, and interest rates in both the US and Mexico, can influence the exchange rate. Strong economic performance in one country compared to the other can lead to currency appreciation or depreciation. Monetary policy. Decisions made by the Federal Reserve, the U.S. Central Bank, and the Banco de Mexico, Mexico's central bank, regarding interest rates and monetary policy can significantly impact the Usdmxn exchange rate. For instance, if the U.S. raises interest rates, it may attract foreign investment, increasing demand for the USD and potentially causing the peso to depreciate. Political stability. Political events, such as elections, policy changes, or trade agreements, can affect investor confidence and the relative strength of each currency. Political instability or uncertainty in Mexico can lead to a weaker peso compared to the dollar. Trade relations. The U.S. and Mexico have a close trading relationship, and changes in trade policies or agreements, such as NAFTA and its successor, the Usdmxn, can influence the exchange rate. A trade imbalance or tariffs can affect demand for each currency. Global market conditions. Broader economic trends, such as commodity prices, especially oil, as Mexico is a significant oil producer, global economic growth, and market sentiment, can influence the Usdmxn exchange rate. 5 practical uses of Usdmxn exchange rate. Travel. Travelers going to Mexico from the US will need to know the Usdmxn exchange rate to understand how much local currency they will receive for their dollars. Business transactions. U.S. businesses exporting goods to Mexico or importing goods from Mexico must consider the exchange rate for pricing, invoicing, and profit calculations. Investment decisions. Investors looking to invest in Mexican assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, must consider the exchange rate, as it affects returns when converting back to USD. Remittances. Many Mexicans living in the U.S. send money back to their families in Mexico. Understanding the Usdmxn exchange rate helps them calculate how much money their families will receive in pesos. 6. Currency exchange mechanisms. Forex market. The Usdmxn exchange rate is determined in the forex market, where currencies are traded. The rates are influenced by market demand and supply, speculation, and economic data releases. Currency converters. Online tools and platforms like Usdmxn and banks provide real-time exchange rates for USD to MXN and vice versa, allowing users to convert currencies quickly. Bid/ask spread. When exchanging currencies, there is often a bid/ask spread, which is the difference between the price a dealer will pay for a currency and the price at which they will sell it. This spread represents the dealer's profit margin and can vary between different currency exchange providers. 7. Example calculation. To illustrate how the Usdmxn exchange rate works, consider the following scenario. If the current exchange rate is 20.00 MXN per USD, converting 100 USD to pesos, \100 text USD times 20.00 text MXN USD equals 2000 text MXN converting 2000 MXN to dollars, 2000 text MXN div 20.00 text MXN USD equals 100 text USD conclusion. The Usdmxn exchange rate is a crucial indicator of the economic relationship between the United States and Mexico, influencing trade, investment, tourism, and financial planning for individuals and businesses. Understanding the dynamics of this currency pair can help in making informed decisions related to foreign exchange, travel, and investments.